Good afternoon. Happy weekend to also. Good afternoon to the community of TVisions, wherever you are around the globe. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Olorunlowu Ayinde, one of the economic developer in the community. You are welcome once again. This afternoon, I want to speak about good saying. I call it good saying. Speaking positive about the community. To all TVisions listening to me, what are your comments? What are your utterances about the community of abundance, about the TBC? Are you speaking positive? Are you speaking well? Are you speaking good about the community? Whatever you call, whatever you decree, whatever you call it, that is what it will yield for you. How good? What positive things are you saying about the community? What positive things are you saying about the community? About every member, even about the economy that we are building from ground up. This afternoon, I want to challenge everyone. Speak positive. Say good things. Let your utterance be positive. Let your utterance be edifying. Let your utterances lift the heart and the spirit of all that you are inviting to the community. And also let it be words, sayings that edify the spirits of all TBisions in the community. As you declare positive to the community, as you speak positive to the community, positive things will begin to happen and we will continue to enjoy our growth. So I charge you this afternoon, say good things to the community. Declare good things on the community. Speak good about the community. Don't speak ill of the community. Don't speak ill of the administration. So speak positive about the community. And I urge you, every time declare positive to the future of the community. And God will answer us all. And we enjoy that great future we are looking at. So let me leave you with this. Positive speakings, positive utterances bring about positive things in your life and in our community. Thank you all. Love you all. Like and subscribe for subsequent broadcasts. Thank you. TBC is my birthright.